Molt?
No molt.
No molt. 6.
You.
Usual. Wait.
10.
The thing is, do they get stressed or do they go on into torpor in that kind of
They
case?
get stressed. They get stressed.
Why don't they
No
go
fat,
into,
no
why don't
molt.
they go into torpor like they normally do?
Can the scale come here?
That's the only bird that does that.
Well, no, hummingbirds too.
Well, hummers, but I'm talking about the only...
Yeah, I don't know. But they will die on you quickly.
46 wing
see.
4.
Maybe they do go into torpor, but then
Do you want to let it go?
Which net
Here.
was it?
Wait.
Am I doing these or
Yes,
these?
two.
Which
No,
net was
middle
it in?
two.
Wait.
Two?
Middle
Yeah.
two
This
are
is a
No.
kinglet.
Where was the cardinal from?
They go on
That was
into
from
torpor
Ned.
out really, really cold.
You can release it.
Wait a second, 7.
Certainly golden crown.
What? Oh, here, let me help you.
Actually, I'm not sure about it.
Okay, so
Good question.
I'll let you. Oh, these
I've
guys
never
bite,
had-
so let me
I've
help
never
this
had a
for you.
kinglet
Okay,
bite.
and then I'll let these guys. Once
Never.
they hurt.
Golden crown kinglet,
known for
female
that.
Gecki
I
0A.
will let you hold it, but I'm gonna just warn you. If it bites you, just don't worry about it.
What they'll do also is creepers will do the same thing too. They'll all huddle on.
Good
The
demonstration
owl
and
claws,
biting.
RCKI.
Alright, so
Ruby
And
crowned. A golden crown.
if you're
GCKI.
gonna hold her
only
around,
bird
bite
that
you,
job
you
to
can
keep
carry
him
That's
on.
fine, you know, he's ready for being
Ready
bitten.
for a
bite?
Yeah.
You holler at me.
You just see
Alright,
more of
you
it.
can
You
let
didn't
go
tell me
of my
Time
finger.
is up, and then they'll disperse. Yeah, that's my guess.
Ow. So, yes, I'm gonna let
This
this go. We'll
size
just-
band
I think it's best to
doesn't
try.
fit on
You
my
want him to
post.
be bitten?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
And I never, when I put
So
my first
you
pliers,
put your fingers like this
I
around
didn't
his
have
neck.
any problem
That's how
with
you
it,
can,
but
you
all
know,
the
you hold
subsequent
him
pliers,
firmly. That calms down
My
the bird
first
and
pliers
it
are
enables
dead.
him so he can't move.
long.
So put your
Long
fingers
gone.
right
Yes,
through there,
yeah.
and then hold
Okay.
Another hand up.
hold him firmly so he can't twist around, and then cage the rest of him. There you go.
HYF.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that
I
guy.
have no idea. But
No
it's
biting.
May, Friday,
Oh.
and Saturday.
And then you can walk over there when you're going to release him.
Mhm.
And she said
Yeah,
they're
you
trying
can,
to get
whenever
And then
you...
what you want to do is probably just
55.
take your other hand and support him when he's underneath his tail, so that when he leaves, he can perch on your hand, like so you don't just kind of drop him.
Under the tail.
No,
Like
back
that.
and molt.
So like almost like he would perch on your hand, like this. So if you're gonna release him, do that, but maybe over there. 5 point.
Okay.
Just in case he should fall down,
Yeah,
you don't
ready.
want to just drop him in midair.
Which net was it?
There you go.
Ew.
Look at how there's no chartreuse, almost no chartreuse on. It should look almost like that.
Okay.
The after hatch here would have that over here.
Okay. Wing is 59. I'll get there.
Okay.
Just a sec,
I thought you were getting ready to release.
Hold it, it's movie. Oh.